That was my email.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Jefferson County in Alabama, southeastern Walker County in Alabama, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the National Weather Service indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Dora and moving south at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Hueytown, Fairfield, Quinton, Gorgas Steam Plant, West Jefferson, Graysville, and Adamsville. This includes US 78 exit numbers 70 through 87, Interstate 20 exit numbers 113 through 118. If you are in the path of this storm, prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building and away from windows. To report severe weather, call 1-800-856-0758. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Jefferson and Walker. A severe